there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an HTML file into a PDF file. And if you're watching this and you're using a MacBook or a Mac PC, please follow through. They're literally the same steps. Don't be nervous if you're seeing I'm using an OS or rather Windows OS right here, okay? Even if you're using a tablet, you can actually do this, even your phone actually. Now with this one, let's get straight to it. I'm just going to use Google Chrome with this one, okay? And with this, I just downloaded a sample HTML file from the internet for discussion purposes right here, okay? Now with this one, basically just search convert HTML file to PDF. Now, take note, there are hundreds of converter on the internet. Some of them have viruses, some of them are not good, some of them require payment, and a lot of them actually has a lot of ads. With this one, I suggest using this one, Sejda. Basically, this is the link, sejda.com/html to PDF. Simple as that. Now, you can see here, upload HTML files, and click on that one, convert HTML to PDF, or let's just say more options. You can choose the per size, orientation, the pixels, everything here, okay? Now with this one, simply click convert HTML to PDF and your task is processing, okay? We just have to wait for it to finish and then download it from here. And actually the thing I love Sejda about is they're gonna show you a preview of your document. And basically you can also edit it, compress, delete pages, split. It's really up to you guys, okay? With that one, simply click on download. You can either save as Dropbox, save to Google Drive, or OneDrive. If I click on download, and that PDF should be on my computer right away. Okay? Easy as that. So thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.